We'll guide you through how to make color background in Adobe Animate. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because background colors are important for improving the appearance and visual style of Adobe Animate projects. Many beginners want to learn how to change stage colors or create custom background layers to make animations, presentations, motion graphics, or character scenes look cleaner, more attractive, and visually consistent with their project design. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Animate on your computer. Click the File menu located at the top left corner to access the available project options. From the drop-down menu, select New so you can create a new project file for your animation or design work. After that, choose the document preset you want to use, for example similar to the video, so the stage size and workspace settings match your project requirements. Then click Create to open the workspace and begin editing inside Adobe Animate. Click the Stage Color or Background Color option available in the Properties panel to begin changing the stage background color. Choose a color according to your needs, for example similar to the video, so the stage background matches the visual style you want to create. Now you have successfully created a color background according to your preference using the first method. For the second method, click the plus icon on the timeline to create a new layer that will be used specifically for the custom background object. Rename the layer according to your needs so it becomes easier to organize and identify while editing the project. Then position the layer at the bottom of the timeline. Select the rectangle tool from the toolbar so you can create a custom background shape on the stage. After selecting the tool, click the Fill Color option to open the available color settings. Choose a color according to your needs, for example similar to the video, so the background object matches the style and appearance you want for the project. Create a rectangle on the stage to use as the background by clicking and dragging across the workspace area. Now you have successfully created a color background according to your needs using the second method with a custom background object.